Hello everyone, my name is Putu Lila Angelina Asmara with student number 2101541187. The topic that I've chosen is why climate change is the biggest threat on our life. Climate change has already begun to impact our planet in more ways than we can think. Our lifestyles have a profound impact on our planet. Our choices matter. Around 2/3 of global greenhouse gas emissions are linked to private households. The electricity we use, the food we eat, the way we travel, and the things we buy all contribute to a person's carbon footprint and the amount of greenhouse gas emission associated with an individual's activities. Temperatures continue to rise throughout the planet, and we are experiencing changes in precipitation patterns as we have never seen before. Climate change is said to be the biggest threat to humanity today, and we are already experiencing its devastating impacts, such as polar degradation. According to the Arctic Council, the Arctic will be ice-free in 18 years. Scientists predict the summer of 2040 will see the end of the frozen North Pole after the rapid melting of the ice coverage in recent years. The Arctic sea ice has melted at almost 13% per decade. Over 30 years, the oldest and thickest ice in the Arctic has declined by 95%. Activities like burning fossil fuels trap heat in the atmosphere and have resulted in the accumulation of greenhouse gases. Global warming has increased temperatures, causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt. The second one is drought. Drought occurs when there are prolonged water supply shortages, whether it's atmospheric, surface water, or groundwater. A drought can last for months or years. And global warming increases the risk of drought as warmer temperatures enhance evaporation, reduce surface water, and dries out soils and vegetation. The World Health Organization overview on climate change states that this environmental dilemma is impacting human lives and health in various ways. It threatens the essential ingredients of good health: clean air, safe drinking water, nutritious food supply, and safe shelter, and has the potential to undermine decades of progress in global health. Between 2030 and 2050, climate change is expected to cause approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year from malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress alone. The climate crisis threatens to undo the last 50 years of progress in development, global health, and poverty reduction, and to further widen existing health inequalities between and within populations. With the poorest people largely uninsured, health shocks and stresses already currently push around 100 million people into poverty every year, with the impacts of climate change worsening this trend. And that's all for my speech. I hope you all learned something from it. And thank you so much for your attention.